Setting up a client signature page in seconds doesn't have to be complicated, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, quickly and easily. You'll be able to create and send your contracts in no time, saving you loads of hours on paperwork. Stick around to the end because I'm also going to share how you can get an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using in this tutorial. First, let's dive right into it. The tool we'll be using makes it super easy to set up a client signature page in just a few clicks. The first step is logging into the software. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. I've got you covered with an exclusive free trial link in the description below so you can follow along and get started for free. Once you're logged in, look for the option to create a new document. In most software, this will be located on the dashboard or the main page. You'll usually find a button labeled Create Document or something similar. Click on that and you'll be prompted to choose your document template or start from scratch. If you've already got a document, simply upload it. If not, most software provides a library of contract templates you can use and customize. Whether it's an NDA, a service agreement, or a contract for your business, you'll find what you need. After selecting your template, it's time to customize it to match your needs. This part is quick and easy. Add your business details, client information, and any specific terms or conditions you need. Make sure everything is clear and concise. Now, let's get to the important part, adding the client signature page. In your document editor, look for a section that says Add Signature or Signature Field. This is where you can create a space for your client to sign. Simply drag and drop the signature box into the appropriate spot in your document. Once the signature field is in place, you'll want to customize it a little more. You can adjust the size and position of the field to make sure it's exactly where you want it. Some software allows you to add a date field, initials, or checkboxes, which can be handy if your client needs to confirm certain parts of the document before signing. Now, the document is almost ready to go. After setting up the signature page, click Send for Signature. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of your client, and the software will send them an invitation to sign. In most cases, this takes just a few seconds. The best part? The software automatically keeps track of the signature process, so you can monitor when your client signs, and you'll receive a notification when it's complete. Remember, all of this can be done in just a few minutes, saving you time and eliminating the need for printing or mailing paper contracts. Once your client has signed, you'll both get a fully executed copy of the document, making the entire process simple, secure, and fast. Now, before I wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Setting up a client signature page in seconds is about using the right tools to streamline your process. The software we use today is designed to make this task effortless. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below to follow along and get started today. To quickly recap, here's what we covered. Create a new document, customize it with your details, add the signature field, and send it off for signing. That's it. You've set up your client signature page in seconds. Don't forget, check the description for that exclusive free trial to the software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.